up. I know y'all been trying to order 26 King Wavy products like pomade, shampoos, moisturizers, and oils and stuff like that. Yeah, 26 King Wavy, he been selling out pretty quickly. So that's why I be telling y'all, man, use my discount code and try to get your hair care products ASAP. My discount code is Juice15. Use it to get 15% off and do it as fast as possible. You have to do it ASAP because you're gonna sell out like that. With that being said, man, go check out the website, man. They know that I'm never lagging. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Sheesh. That just look, yo. He looked like he came from a nice wolf session. Great definition. Them junks deep. God, still got one foot right there that he need a break. But yo, other than that, man, that just look fire. Yo, this is why you guys will never progress. Why are you going against the grain on a low cut already? You're supposed to be wolfing, bro. This is why you guys will never become elite. You guys will never become flawless because when you cut your hair off, you're not progressing. You got to wolf. Curls to waves in 60 seconds. That's a lot of hair, dude. Hey, Jeezy, I told you, man, these TikTokers be having a year wolf type hair on their head and they still be getting waves. You see all that curl? All them curls gonna turn to waves, but that jump probably gonna look crazy though. I could tell you that. It's gonna look like a little mushroom. You feel me? You know when them big explosions, the little mushroom tops. That's how that jump gonna turn out. Now, I don't see no lather, boy. You doing something wrong. You doing something wrong. And why you brushing everything to the front? You know, show the back some love too. It looks silky, but it don't look wavy. But maybe when it dries up, it might be a different story. I hope you don't say part 2, because I do not got time for that. Not today, all right? Video's almost over. He still didn't unwrap. There you go. That looks decent. Got 2 waves in there. Looks all right. Yo. Do I even need to say anything? Do I need to say anything? Look at that lather, man. Y'all see the lather? Yo. That's how you know you're doing something right. Let's go. I'm about to walk y'all through this, man. So he's basically just wolfing. Alright, he's wolfing. He about to do a washing style. He's not about to cut it off. Don't worry about it. He lying. He be lying like that. Alright, so you just brush that. I don't brush it back, but you can. If you know, you could brush it back if you want to. Comb your hair out just to get it, just to lift it up. Nah, don't drink that. Alright, y'all not supposed to drink that. Put the shampoo on your hair, right? He just reversed it. Alright, it don't really look like that. This is optional. You could add oil, but I don't do that. I don't think anybody else does it, but he knows what he's doing, so he could do that. If you want to do that, you could do that. That's optional, like I said before. Yeah, that's optional. That's optional. I don't know how many times I said that. But yeah, now you're going with the brush. While you still have the shampoo on your hair, don't add no conditioner yet. You just brush that in, so you could get your hair to lay down. If you want to progress, you can progress like that too, just by brushing your hair, because when your hair is wet like that with the shampoo, it's very manipulative, so you could, progress better. There you go.
This is curls to waves, 60 seconds.
Curls to waves in 60 seconds. My man's got an action, but I'm gonna try my hardest to understand. So wet your hair. I understood that. Hey man, don't come crazy in the comments. No disrespect, alright? Get that shampoo, apply it in there.
Then you wanna go get you a detangler brush.
Oh, what kind of detangling brush is that? I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Brush that junk in there with the detangling shower brush. To detangle your hair.
You finish detangle it. You want some more shampoo.
Okay, apply some more shampoo. Brush. Okay, you know what he doing. Great lather. Great lather. Yo. Good job.
Right, now rinse out.
You don't even got to unrag. That's tough. Good. Wait a minute. What type of do-rag is that? And what type of kit are you? Yo, I ain't even going to say it's a kit. It look like a kit, but that might not be a kit. That's on the fire. What in the Hey man, big shout out to Sir Cruz, man. I saw him rating people waves, and I'm like, I want some of this, man. I'm gonna start rating. So we rating one right here. See a fork right there, and one right here. So this like a we get it like an 8.5, man. 8.5. Yes sir, we got another one. Everything looking good so far, but hold up, what's that right there? What's that? What's this over here? And your waves look a little crooked right there. So this gonna have to be a It looks decent. I love the texture. So you got a couple of forks. This is a 9. Hey man, I know I've been going for like 3-4 weeks, man, but that don't mean you could start doing this nonsense. Ain't no way in the world you gonna turn that to waves, man. It's either gonna look like the big old explosions that we be seeing the mushrooms on TV. It's starting to look like it now. But if you don't get enough lather, you're not gonna lay it down, all right? And you didn't get enough lather, so I might as well stop the video now because it's not gonna look good. It's not gonna look silky. It's not gonna look laid. Even though you double compression, that's not what's gonna help you get. All right, bruh. Surprise me, wow me. I want to see this. It looks decent, alright. It don't look that good, but it looks decent. I'll get that to you.
Wait a minute, did y'all see the transformation? He went from McDonald's to straight crispy.
What? What is this man talking about? Where you see McDonald's at? You talk about my hairline. That's crazy, bruh. So you said tag me? Tag 360 Juice? What you about to do, man? Just a wash? Okay, you about to wash your hair? What's that you adding to your hair? What the heck is that? You adding pomade? What you to do? Okay, I see you putting the no results. What you talking about? I'm confused, man. You're not supposed to be seeing results until you brush the do-rag in, you feel me? I see great lather. Wait, why? I don't know. Let's just see what happens. You taking the whole video to scrub your hair, but now you putting in the brushwork. You should have did that like 5 minutes ago. The video about to end, and you probably not even gonna show me the results. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that do look satisfying. But I just want to see the results. You feel me? And I'm alright, bro. For everybody that's wondering how you go back to your regular hair color after you dyed it, this is how. You just cut it off. Just cut it off. Hey, Sir Cruz, yo. Y'all see that lather on Sir Cruz's head? That's how I want everybody lather to look like, alright? Y'all see that, right? If your lather don't look like this, like Sir Cruz say, and I quote, you ain't really doing nothing. You ain't cleaning your hair. If you don't see lather like that, you ain't doing nothing, alright? Plus, lather helps you progress fast. Yo, my boy is spinning. Okay, that's sunlight here. Let me see the back. Turn your head. You want to turn your head? Hey, bro, if you're a beginner and it's your first time wolfing, I bet not ever see you wolf for 37 weeks, bro. I bet not ever see no beginners wolf for 37 weeks, because ain't no way you going to progress with 37 weeks of hair. Dope rays when a waver sees the sunlight. Oh, you know. If you're a waver, you know. Hey, man, you know, yo. So, look, y'all. What he's doing right here is vertical brushing. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, if you trying to break forks, if you got a couple of forks and you trying to break them, vertical brush, that's going to be going. Vertical brush, while you're doing the washing style, is going to be even better. Who this? Oh, that's 360 Butter. He called himself 360 Butter because his waves look like butter. Y'all see that texture? Y'all see the eye of the hurricane? I mean, he got a couple of forks to break, but hey, man, that just look nice. So waves in 15 seconds. How we going to do this? Let me get ready because I know this going to be fast. Wet your hair. Let's get it. Apply shampoo. Okay. Make sure you get great lather. That's what's up. That's what's up. Brush in the waves pattern. Yes, sir. Rinse. Oh, that was quick. That's tough. That's tough. Yo, when you wash and style all the time, you know the difference between a shampoo bottle and a shampoo bar. Like, you see how thick the lather is right there? That lather is thick, so that's how you know it's a shampoo bar. Alright, the texture. Turn my afro to waves. I know this dude, bro. I know him. I reacted to his waves before. He trying to trick y'all. He already got waves. Alright. He already got waves. I already see them curls in there. And he gonna say turn the afros to waves. But he already had waves. Bruh, stop playing, bro. You ain't just, nah. You're just super trained. For it to come back to waves like that, you mean to tell, yo, get out of here, man. Y'all really think he didn't have waves before? Tell me in the comments. Y'all think he didn't have waves before? He didn't just get waves just by doing that. He had waves for like years already. Trying to trick us, man. Stop playing, bro. His waves look better than mine. I'm lying. You know, mine look better, but